to my class, Watercolour Sketching for Beginners. My name's Imran, I'm a graphic designer and illustrator, and this class is for anybody who wants to learn the basics of watercolour, whether you're an absolute beginner or whether you're somebody who's not used your watercolours for a while and you want a refresher course in the wonderful world of watercolours. We will start off this class by going through some of the materials and supplies that you will need, absolute basics for this beginner's watercolour class. We will look at watercolour paints, the different grades. We will look at the different types of brushes you get with watercolour. We will also be delving into the different surfaces that you can use in watercolour painting. And as a bonus, we will be looking at how to stretch your watercolour paper and the benefits of stretching your watercolour paper. And then we will also look at the other items, small items, that will really give you a nice enhanced experience in your journey in watercolour. We will then move on to some of the characteristics of watercolour and do simple little exercises that will get you warmed up in this fantastic medium. We will then work through examples of watercolour techniques such as the wet on wet technique, the wet on dry technique, glazing, creating textures, creating colour variations, looking at values, and also looking at monotone painting. We will then be moving on to completing a full step-by-step sketch where we will be demonstrating and implementing all the techniques that we've learnt. On completing all the mini exercises and the full sketch and the examples that we go through, you will have a nice library of skills and experiences that you've just developed to be able to implement into your amazing class project. This class is for absolute beginners in the field of watercolour, so we will be covering things very slowly and step by step. So what you're waiting for, grab yourself a nice drink, get yourself some nice treats, sit back, relax, and let's get started with this class.